Mom, can you take a picture of me? Why? If you have clothes on.
No nudies on the car.
No, my butt is gonna be covered, I promise.
Becoming an experienced vlog assistant.
We just went to the best vegan gluten-free.
What was it called? City O City.
City O City.
City O City.
Look for
in
it in
the heart of the city. Are we going to go to the parade?
Viva!
Are you always this embarrassing?
Yes.
Or is it just because it's Saturday?
Viva! When you kiss me, Viva, when you hold me tight, you give me Viva. Viva, you know me. You know. You know.
Dude, I'm holding the goods.
Look at the beautiful
Yeah,
downtown Denver.
it is pretty pretty. It's pretty pretty.
Everybody's bunching up and trying to keep warm as much as possible.
A bomb cyclone so powerful, the governor's declared a state of emergency and is calling in the National Guard.
Stay home. It's not something you want to do right now.
The wizard is coming. Hi. Hey. Ready?
As ready as I'll ever be.
I feel like he's trying to parallel park and I'm like, you need to go home, sir.
Sleds.
Let's go in the garage and find a trash can bin.
Is this a good look for a blizzard?
I'm not sure if we're going on a Can you hear me? Okay, we don't have sleds, so we're using Gus's kennel.
Ready?
I'm ready. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ready for this?
Give it your best go.
I wish there was a hill.
Like do it like this is sledding Olympics.
Okay.
Sledding, skateboarding? Running, yeah, running start. Oh my god! Oh my god! Can we be done now?
It hurts. I'm getting pelted by ice cubes.
I think I'm frozen. Everything hurts.
What's wrong with it?
We fought the wizard and we failed. Now it's time for some warm food and some wine. Wine. He disappeared. Oh my god. Guys, what happened? Oh my god. Cut it in half. You should have told me before you were gonna do that.
Sushi roll, sushi roll fresh. Diamonds from the press, nice diamonds on my chest. Bitch, I'm sushi roll, sushi roll fresh. Diamonds from the press, nice diamonds on my chest. Sushi roll fresh. Diamonds from the press, nice diamonds on my chest. Bitch, I'm sushi roll fresh. Diamonds from the press, nice diamonds on my chest. Let me see you drop it down to the floor. Let me see you pop it down, dip it low. Let me see you shake it till you can't no more. Let me see you break break it down to the flow.
It looks good. It does. We need ice cream.
Demanding. I don't know how much more of this I can take.
Alright, don't pay us any mind. We know we look bad. We're having a really hard time right now because we're sick. For some reason, you know what? We're feeling.
I feel like I'm losing my voice too.
Okay, listen,
It's
we're
weird.
losing our voice. Our noses are bleeding. We keep getting nauseous.
Yeah, I can't keep my eyes open.
We've been like
tired.
so ridiculously tired. But for some reason, you know what? We just felt a big jolt of luck. So we're gonna go buy some lottery tickets.
And Pedialyte. Score. Ooh, you want strawberry? You want blue raspberry or tropical fruit? I mean, we could get both and then share. This is like choosing an appetizer. Can I get a T4 with no cheese or sour cream on the tacos? Any sauce? No.
Yes, mild.
Mild.
Who says no to Taco Bell sauce? I could drink that with a straw.
Don't judge me right now. I have a lot going on. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's not bad, right?
Can you drink the whole thing?
Why not? It's made for a baby.
Thank you.
I really do hope you guys win some money. I've seen
Thank you. That's
really
so
bone-
nice.
I had a boneheaded lady come in on a Tuesday night and win $500 on this one. She was clueless.
Not that we're clueless, but we're pretty clueless.
And that's
Oh my god. The Pedialyte's balancing out the Mexican pizza.
Is it though?
We needed this.
Do we have Taco Bell to draw?
Could we be more white trash right now?
No.
Match any of your numbers to the winning number when the prize shown. I didn't win anything on this stupid card.
Well, first of all, you didn't scratch off all your numbers.
Oh. This game sucks.
So I just won $5.
What the F? I'm not winning anything.
Wait, I have a money bag here. Wait, I have this too.
If I don't win $30,000 on this one, I'm never playing this stupid game again.
Oh my god.
What? You won 3 out of 4?
So like $20.
You won $20?
But I paid $15, so really I only won $5.
That's better than mine. I won like -7.
Erin, E-R-I-N. E stands for excellent. R stands for ratchet.
Keep going, please.
I stands for iridescent. N stands for not like everyone else.
I'm just saying.
Holy that is Maserati.
Nice. Maserati.
Hashtag
Iridescent.
okay, bye. Maserati. I put the wrong top on the wrong milk.
We're going out tonight and we're bringing these to Haley's boyfriends.
The essentials.
So we can have a nice snack before
Almond
bedtime.
Reese, vanilla, cinnamon checks, gluten-free. If it doesn't say gluten-free, rethink things.
Overnight bag, camera bag, my overnight bag, purse, snacks.
I think we're good to go.
All
I'm
right.
just mainly worried about this right now.
Especially
What's happening? It's 2 a.m. on the clock. The secret ingredient to Chex Mix is
cinnamon.
beer.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, how was it? Really?
Boom!
Shout out A$AP Rocky, man. All in the building, man. What's good? Is that continue shout out? Yo,
You
listen.
didn't even eat it.
Cold soda, I can speak for myself. So they got built with the whole stuff. I ain't playing games. We got some little niggas.
Actually, that's not good. It's actually kind of nasty. Oh my god, like the aftertaste is so bad. Who's got the lighter? There's gotta be a lighter. Wait.
It's a lighter when you got Chex Mix.
Oh! You're like, who who needs fire when you got Chex Mix?
That's not what I said.
Okay, what'd you say then?
I don't remember.
Okay. You said exactly what What? All I'm looking for is a lighter. I keep finding I just found more! I literally just found more pot.
You're welcome. I put this in here for you.
Not that we're gonna smoke it, but it is legal in Colorado, just saying.
Disclaimer.
In Colorado. Thank you. Put it in like subtitles.
What? Is that my camera?
I'm rated R.